Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to ignore messages or chats on Messenger. Whether you want to stop receiving notifications or simply move a chat out of your way, I will guide you through the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you are on the main chat list where you can see all your conversations. Find the chat that you want to ignore. Once you have located the chat, tap and hold on to it. A menu will appear with several options. These options may include mute notifications, archive, and delete. The first option you can use is Archive. If you choose this, the chat will be moved out of your main chat list and placed in the archived chat section. This is a good way to declutter your chat list without deleting the conversation entirely. You can still access it later by going to the archived chat section in Messenger. Another option is to mute notifications. Tap on this option if you want to stop receiving notifications from this specific chat. After muting, you will no longer get alerts or sounds for messages from this person or group. The chat will remain in your main chat list, but it will no longer disturb you with notifications. If the third option, Restrict the person, is available for you, you can select that too. When you restrict someone, the chat will be moved to a separate section called Message Requests, and you won't get any notifications when they send you a message. Similarly, if you have archived a chat, you can find it by searching for the person's name or navigating to the Archived Chats section. These are the ways you can ignore or minimize interruptions from specific chats on Messenger. Thank you for watching this tutorial.